Hi everyone, I am Jeanette Park, and this is my sign and symptoms of nutrient toxicity. I do want to start with my topic. I chose to talk about zinc and how it can be toxic in large doses. I decided to focus more on maturity of canines. These pictures are, kind of older ones of zinc, but it's still what it looks like in nature. And then I am including a picture of a husky in this case because they are more prone to this. Um, I do want to start with what it is good for. So it's not like it's the worst thing if animals have this, but it's good for cognitive function, learning and memory, DNA and RNA, so it's going to help cells divide and replicate. Um, Eyesight, healthy skin and coat, immune system boosting, and of course producing hormones. There are some symptoms that you're going to notice right away. So you might notice that your dog is in a depression, or maybe they have a lot of diarrhea, they don't want to eat, maybe there's some vomiting involved. A little bit more extreme poisoning is anemia, so you're going to notice heart rate increases, their respiratory rate increases, you're going to notice some pale gums, their eyes and skin develop a yellow discoloration, they're going to have orange stool, and in some cases the urine does turn red or like a dark yellow color. These are a couple pictures here of the dog's eyes that are yellow, and of course you can see that the gums are not. Severe poisoning happens a lot with dogs that are brought to the shelter. And so the severe damage could be damage to the liver, kidneys, heart, and pancreas. Of course, some things you're going to notice, because these may not be so obvious, are drinking a lot more, they're urinating a lot more, there's some weight loss, as you can see with this dog. They might be having some abdominal pain, or there's some organ enlargement. It does still happen with incoordination and seizures. It's very rare, but I do want to take note that it zinc in nature. So where are you going to see it? This is a list of foods that you're gonna find zinc in. So like beef and broccoli, and chicken, duck, eggs, fish oil, salmon, and sardines. But you're also going to notice this a lot in pasture. So states like Kansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma, you're going to find a lot of contamination. I do want to point out just regular everyday objects around the house, because this is probably the biggest concern with our companion pets. Nails, nuts, and bolts, staples, board game pieces, probably not one that people think about a lot. Zippers, some toys have this, although it's probably not as much. Jewelry, and then the biggest concern is pennies with animals. So this is just a few of my recommendations. Not overdoing supplements. Always consult with a vet, preferably a veterinarian that specializes in pet nutrition. Easy fix is making sure your pennies, your toys, and all those things are picked up, because this is a very common issue with small dogs. I do want to point out this picture here. I mean, all of these pennies, or coins in general, were eaten by this dog. So, of course, the same dog that's having the reaction here in these pictures. But very common that dogs eat coins. It's a very easy thing to make sure that we're puppy proofing the house, no different than you'd be baby proofing the house. And then, of course, larger dogs, probably like your farm dogs, there's more issues with contaminated pastures. So having specialists come out and making sure that your property is safe. Then these are all of my resources. Thank you everyone for watching.